This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Thursday. Jack Lott here on the James Diggs Financial Network. Applications for unemployment benefits totaled 357,000 last week. That's 18,000 fewer than the previous week, and pushed applications for benefits to their lowest level since mid-April. Consumers stepped up their shopping in May after tax rebate checks hit the mailboxes, giving many of the nation's retailers stronger than anticipated sales for the month. Discount and lower price stores like Costco and Walmart were again among the strongest performers. European Central Bank has decided to leave its main interest rate unchanged at 4%, and the Bank of England held its benchmark interest rate at 5%, confirming expectations by economists that concern about rising inflation would stop the British Central Bank from making another cut. Continental Airlines said that it's going to cut 3,000 jobs, that's about 6.5% of its workforce, and retire 67 older planes as it scales down in the face of soaring fuel prices. Meantime, Australia's Qantas Airways said it would discontinue or reduce a number of international services, mainly to Japan and Southeast Asian destinations, to cut costs in the face of high oil prices. Vodafone Group plc confirming that Verizon is in advanced talks about acquiring U.S. carrier Altel Communications. And E-Trade Financial is giving BlackBerry users, its account holders, an application that will allow them to get real-time stock quotes and trade on their phones. Scheduled economic reports on Friday, big one of the month, non-farm payrolls for May, the unemployment rate for May, wholesale inventories for April, and the May Consumer Credit Report. Earnings today, Jackson Hewitt Tax Service said fourth quarter earnings fell 13% due to processing fewer tax returns this year. Net income for the fiscal quarter fell to $57.5 million, or $2.02 a share. Analysts were looking for $2.08 a share. Smithfield Foods said profit was $2.4 million, or 2 cents a share. Analysts were looking for 7 cents a share. They came in short. Del Monte reporting that fiscal fourth quarter profit rose 37% on 11% higher sales. For the quarter, earnings reached $50.4 million, or 25 cents a share. And this might be a sign of the times, but Brown-Forman Corp says its fourth quarter profit rose 48%, partly on the strength of higher demand for its flagship Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey and Finlandia vodka. The company reported its net income rose to $99.1 million from $66.8 million just a year ago. Earnings out tomorrow. There are no major earnings reports scheduled for tomorrow. Some of the stocks in the news today. Buckle reporting May net sales at stores open at least a year, up 34.7%. Immucor said it expects to post a profit of $1.11 to $1.15 a share for fiscal 2009 on revenue of $292 to $300 million. ADC Telecom beat Wall Street estimates for the fiscal second quarter and lifted its outlook for the year. And U.S. Airways said its May mainline traffic rose 0.6% to 5.39 billion revenue passenger miles from last year. That's the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Diggs Financial Network.